Okay, this is the entrance to the Moro County Off-Road Park. We're on, I think this is Morphine Lane here. Highway 207 is like 100 yards behind us. And we'll take a drive through the park and kind of show everybody where everything is. Okay, this little path right here off to our left leads to Trail 1. It's kind of the main trailhead out of this end of the camp. Speed limit here is 10, obviously, to keep the dust off all the other campers, so please be polite. To our right here is the entrance into, I think this is the A section of RV camps, and then there's tent camping kind of along the end there, various spots. Water is available close by to most of them. This right here is a little restaurant. Okay, this is the landing, the food service here at the Moro County ATV Park. Well, we don't know the country being married. Well, we just had some excellent hamburgers here. What all sort of stuff do you offer at the concession stand?
Well, we have hamburgers, pizzas. In the morning we have a breakfast special that you can have the choice of sausage, Polish sausage or bacon. And biscuits and gravy is one of our main features that we have. Pancakes for the little guys. And in the sandwich line, through the summertime, we offer a pulled pork sandwich. And all our sandwiches come with chips. No fries.
I've had that pulled pork sandwich. That was really good.
Yeah, that works out pretty good. We run down through the summertime. It's a summertime special, and once after Labor Day, we pretty much slim down.
And then you run 7 days or 6 days a week. You're closed on Tuesday.
Right.
And what are the hours?
Our hours on the weekends are from 7 to 6 and 10 to 6 through the weeks.
Anything else I didn't ask?
No. Well, we offer good jet tea smoothies.
Indeed. Excellent.
Drops in the special.
Had some of them this morning. They work good.
Yeah, I may get one before I leave here. I guess we'll go ahead and stop that camera then. So continuing on our tour here, this is where you go into the front office, and you're the check-in guy.
That's what they tell me sometimes.
So you're here 24 hours a day then. When's the park first open in the spring?
Last year we opened the 15th of March. They're saying that probably this year we're going to be later than that. Depends on the weather.
Must be a lot of snow by then still, I would think.
Last year, the 15th of March, I come up the 13th of February. 15th of March we had, a foot and a half.
Wow.
So, and that wasn't bad. What we run into is we're so dry up here, so cold. We get drifts bad.
Oh, I bet, yeah.
Sometimes it's 2 months. We still got 15-foot drifts, on some of the trails. And we just open up as much as we can, and, that way people's got a place to ride.
So it's strictly 4x4 for the first month or two, probably.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Then what time does the season end?
This year they're going to shut me off the 1st of December. Last year I wound up staying until the 15th. This year they're going to shut me off the 1st.
Then you've got medic facilities here, and the restaurant. The sheriff has a deputy here all the time, or?
Most of the time.
Most of the time.
He just left here 40 minutes ago. He's out.
He's out on the trail.
Yep.
Yeah. Good, how are you? This ordinarily would be the main road, but then bends along to the right. So we're going to take a detour here. This little track here is a children's play area. It's designated for 12 and under. There's some little berms and stuff for them to play on without adults running around tearing things up. Here's the one fancy little log cabin that's set up. You can also see some of the A-frames in the background. Right now the power and water sites are basically areas alongside the cabins that you can back into. Just turned on to the main road that we would have been on were it not for the detour. So normally you'd come by the cabins here on your right, and I believe this is the D section of campground spots. I believe they're water-only spots, but there are porta potties everywhere. This here double green gate with the sign that says entry only is the entrance into the E-loop. And this is Trail 17, I think, that runs you out by the rock play area and that kind of stuff. So here we are, home sweet home. For the friends that I'm making this video for, you know where to get a key to my camper, that kind of stuff. If anybody happened to stumble across this video that I haven't met yet, and you see my rig out here, feel free to stop by. Have a cold beverage, maybe grab a bite to eat or something, go ride.